Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by installing Zotero Desktop and the browser connector so you can capture items directly. This is essential. Once done, sign into a free Zotero account to enable syncing across devices. Now, navigate to a paper or web page and click the connector icon. Zotero saves metadata and often the PDF. Make sure to check saved items in the desktop app because metadata sometimes needs correction. Fixing it now prevents problems. Once items are in Zotero, organize them into collections and subcollections to mirror your projects. This keeps work manageable. You should add descriptive tags and inline notes so you can filter and recall key points quickly. Attach the full-text PDF or a snapshot if Zotero didn't grab it. Drag files onto an item to link them. Also, link related items and use the duplicate detection tool. Cleaning duplicates now saves time when writing. You finish by installing Zotero's word processor plugin so you can insert citations and generate a formatted bibliography in a click. Choose your citation style and test a citation. Next, enable sync and select file syncing preferences so attachments follow you. If something goes wrong, like missing metadata, PDFs not saved, or sync conflicts, check the connector permissions, recapture the item, and use Zotero's resolve duplicates and storage settings. These steps fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.